see anything.
That really scared me bad.
I know, it was the loudest thing.
For you.
It was the loudest thing I've ever heard.
I didn't know if that was a tornado.
I think it was.
Scotty.
That just means it was in the vicinity. It doesn't mean it was here.
Scotty said that was just a practice. Maybe he says it's noon. I don't know. That was really, really loud.
Oh, really? That's just a practice?
We'd have poor jacks up
Oh,
and everything.
y'all. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, God, and I would have to put my bike up? I would throw that thing in there.
Just shaking. Oh, Lord. Oh, I have been over here and crap your pants.
I know. Well, that was a nice way to be rushed out of the shower. I was mid-shower. And then all of a sudden, I was like, oh my God. Well, I was able to finish getting ready. That is definitely a loud way to start your day. I thought it was a warning, but come to find out it was a test. It was the longest test ever, and it was so loud because we're only about, it's in between 50 to 75 feet from the Siren. That's why it was extremely loud. Yeah, we found out it was a test because when they first started them, they did them every day for 30 seconds, but now they only do them once a month, and it was for 3 minutes, and that's how long it was 3 minutes. That was kind of scary, you know, because I was almost done and out of the shower, but and then I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get dressed, and it's just very shocking, and you don't know what's going on. I didn't know they even had tests here, so my alarm's going off. Anyways, yeah, that was definitely an unusual way to get my day started.